Just genius. I have nothing else to add.
cactus.
Yeah, that's gonna be really fun to sit on. I don't think it'll do
after
it.
first thing.
Yeah, it'll just pull off.
Yeah.
You gotta glue it or something. Whoa, hey, what did that toilet ever do to you?
Excuse me.
It's not taking your shit anymore. Alright, so what are we doing to this toilet? Wow, okay, we're like totally pimping out this toilet.
What is this? If it will, you know, like a drain system.
Ew, then you get to see your poop go around. No! That's so gross. Don't do this, 5-minute crafts. Don't do this to me.
They gotta do this, I
Don't do
guess.
this to me.
I don't want to see my poop.
Yeah, like-
yeah.
Look at this. Well, imagine if it gets stuck and then you just have to look at your poop in the glass every day. No!
One thing, if you live alone, okay, more or less fine. But if you live with someone,
Never hire 5-minute crafts to do your plumbing. This is what they'll do.
are they serious?
I don't know. I don't even know anymore. I really hope not. What?
No, it will. It will. It went right through this hole where
no.
your poop will go. Or maybe it's just an aquarium. It will not use us for. I mean,
I'm gonna be disappointed if I don't see a big turd coming.
okay, LRD.
Okay.
Aquarium thing.
It's an aquarium thing, alright. We love our 5-minute aquariums, toilets.
No way they will use it. I mean, for the purpose.
I want to see the poop flush through it now. I know it's disgusting, but I just think it's something I have to experience.
We wanna see.
We need to see the poopy, please.
No way.
Alright, so
Oh.
it looks cool.
It does look cool.
It does look kind of cool,
Yeah.
but I feel bad for any fish that has to witness their whole life is just looking at you poop. Pee.
That's true.
Depressing for a fish. But it's a faster exit for them, like in Finding Nemo.
Yeah.
Oh, it's for the fish to go through, not your poop. Ew, why is it...
That's already not clean.
Yeah, no. Oh. Okay.
You can understand what kind of color it could be, right? After a while, I mean, right?
Yeah, no.
I'm speechless. I mean,
Do the fish have to swim with the poop now?
is it a CG?
Yeah, it's CG. Of course it's CG.
But
This would be a form of torture or cruelty if it was actual fish.
what the imagination?
The fish is like, one of them stands guard at the toilet and he's like, guys, another one's coming through!
Oh! Okay.
Alright, so, jeez, that was pretty good
Wow.
editing right there.
We thought we'll be done.
Yeah, I thought I was gonna be instantly canceled there. Alright,
Yeah.
so what are we doing here?
Yeah.
Alright, we get the sock, we fold it up. What are we doing with the panties? Alright.
What was the problem?
She just didn't want to wear socks anymore, I guess. Alright.
No, she has bad days. you
Oh
know?
no, I pulled off all the toilet paper again. I always do that.
Yeah.
Silly me.
And now you know the hack. But
Exactly.
come on, this is uncomfortable too.
Yeah, I don't like that.
It
Oh!
always rip. What? I'm sorry. I
That
missed
was...
it.
Alright. But it's clean in there.
It's like what if?
Yeah, what if? What if? Yeah, that's 5-minute crafts motto. What if? Okay, so if your poop's too messy, it doesn't flush. But if you use shoe protector, it'll just whoop, just go down there easy. It's like if you use. It's like before you eat food, if you oil your mouth with some olive oil, you can just you know, just gulp that stuff down, you know.
Okay, where were we?
Just me and the boys enjoying a couple blizzies, you know. All right, so we're in the bathroom. There's a privacy problem.
Yeah, there's. Okay, but which doesn't work, I guess.
Just hold that, then you're comfortable, right? Yeah. Okay. Sponge food. All right. Sponge
What
food. Dog.
was that?
All right.
Okay. Oh, how you can divide it your 2 layers toilet paper.
Why?
Just boy.
That's how like people like really cheap restaurant owners and stuff save on their toilet paper. They're like, they will have to use half a ply. Torture. Ew, bacteria on your... Yeah, that's why you have to change your brush after like every 2 weeks or something.
What?
Which, yeah, I know, right? I never... Who has money for that? Jeez.
Every 2 weeks?
Yeah,
I'm
something like
using my almost half of the year.
Oh my.
We're serious.
Yeah, I've been meaning to tell you about your breath. Jeez. Right. Hold on for your dear lives. We lost Billy.
We switch in our toilet
Ooh,
pack.
okay, more toilet stuff.
Boom.
Oh, okay. Do you think that works with a balloon?
I think if it will cover,
whole
seal
thing,
everything, well, so maybe it's gonna work.
Okay, we're
Kind
gonna see.
of, theoretically, it could work. Even if you will take the in our film, for the. Okay.
Genius. Just genius. I have nothing else to add. Yeah, that's gonna be really fun to sit on.
Sit down.
No. The toilet of danger.
It's a challenge. For sure there is some small,
Spikes going through. Yeah, no, it's not okay. It's the punishment seat.
I don't wanna.
Ooh. We got cleaning goop. All right, this is like Billy Mays here. Okay. But wait, there's more. You can make it an aquarium and poop on your fish. All right, so. Okay. What is this video? I can't anymore.
I'm done.
5-minute crafts. What are you doing? It's a tea bag.
It's a big tea bag, and we tested with the dog piss.
That's so gross.
That's gross, yeah, but it works.
That is so gross. What is wrong with the world?
That's.
Okay, interesting.
I'm so sick.
I know, me too. I'm like, I don't know how to react to this anymore. Gross. What is happening? Multicolored poop? Did you eat a bunch of Skittles or something?
I don't know, to get the t-shirt paint. Yeah!
5-minute crafts! You're killing me.
Okay.
This is kind of cool.
Toilet paper. Oh.
That's fun.
That's fun. That's cool. That's totally, something
at least. Something that's not horrible. I think our standards have just dropped so low now that anything that's not horrible is just like, alright, sure. Alright, fine.
No, we should
like this. What is this? What are we doing?
For curves.
Oh.
Okay.
Thanks, toilet paper. This is a romance between a lady and her toilet paper.
Wow.
Those are cool.
That's nice. Nice gadget. Breath? How? Okay. No, how often do you change your
I think every like 2 months or something, but you should do every 2 weeks, I think.
Oh, it's very
because you get
so much.
A lot of bacteria on there. Ooh, that's good if you want to ruin your towels. I feel like girls normally wouldn't want to ruin their towels.
They
If my ex saw me doing that, she'd probably be my ex much sooner.
Oh, how to clean up? There is. Wow.
Oh, dissolving hair.
Yeah, this special. I don't know how it calls, cream that you add on your hair.
I wonder what it tastes like
Okay.
after it. Like after you dissolve the hair. What does dissolved hair taste like?
And you can dissolve all your hair.
I'm just kidding. That's so gross. All right, what is this? For your soap, so it doesn't stick and make gross splashes.
Soap powder.
All right, clean up your business.
You're with them.
So it doesn't stick to the sponge.
Okay.
And then it brushes a little bit more. Nice. A little more exfoliating action.
Oh, this net out of fruits or something like that.
Yeah, I think so.
Okay.
Whoa! Hey there, buddy.
Okay. You shave it yourself, bro.
Nice beard. Pretty respectable. When you see a guy with another beard, do you share like a moment of looking at each other and just like sharing respect?
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
Nice.
Always.
I saw a guy with like a really cool beard at a restaurant once, and I was like, I wish I could like had a cool beard like him, so I could look at him and we could just like share that connection.
Yeah.
All right. So using your old bottles to have a new faucet. Pretty smart.
Yeah.
If you don't have because faucets are expensive, so.
I mean, like a fast solution,
Yeah, it's a quick solution. Yeah, if you really need it.
I like that hack with a towel, when they use the hack.
All right, I like how we give a compliment to one of them and then it just follows up with a dumbest idea. All right, can't reach you back.
Okay, you're tired.
You're tired.
But
What do we do now? Oh, okay.
So and spatula.